Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your YouTube logo for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. To create YouTube logo, we're going to use Canva. So first of all, you can open up Canva from your mobile phone or your computer. And here I have opened Canva from my computer, and I'm going to show you how we can create logo using Canva. Okay, you need to create new design on Canva, and then you're going to go to the Canva apps. Go to the apps, and then you can search for logo maker, and there will be some apps you can use to create logo, but I'm going to use this one because this one is free. Actually, you can use AI logo maker or the other apps, but I think some of them are not free, so I'm going to use the free one. Okay, and then you can describe the logo you want. I have already made a prompt, and I'm just going to paste it here. And okay, I'm going to click on create, and we just need to wait for a moment until the logo is created. Okay, and this is for the logo. If you're not satisfied, you can modify your prompt, and then you can create again. Okay, we can make it bigger like this. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a YouTube logo for free using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.